Okay, so I finished the cutting. It ended up taking a total of 5 hours, including the 2.5 hour stream. It was taped on really well to the spoil board. You can see there's still a bit of tape stuck to it. Oh, there we go. Tape there. So much so that breaking it off the spoil board, it ended up cracking in 3 places. Here, 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 and here. So I'm going to have to glue it before I can sand it. Apparently, it was just going through on here in the middle because the spindle was being pulled down by the cord from the camera. So after taking the camera off the spindle, that's why this platform is slightly higher. So I figured I could still manage to have solid here and here if I cut just the 0.625 inches, but what it left was so thin that it just kept breaking anyway, so I stopped trying after trying on this one and just cut out here and here, because it was easier than having to try to pocket only for it to break anyway. Still came out pretty good. It's not quite what I was going for. Should also be noted that when I was cutting the 5 places that I left it attached to the rest of the board, I forgot to take the offset off on the line. So when I shifted from the pocket to the to cutting on the line, which is why I think that it really should be that you set an offset per cut. It shouldn't just be you set an offset and it just stays there because you forget about it. And then you cut with an offset when you don't want one. Now you've got a nick here and here, and also here and here. But other than that, came out pretty good. I'm gonna have to sand down. I don't know if I'll fill in with putty or just sand down, and it'll just be weird and thin in places on the edge. But once again, these mistakes are lessons. And the next time I make something like this, I won't make the same mistakes.